Hello everyone, my name is Josephine and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I made this. This project is about displaying some epiphytes in your home similar to how we find them in nature. When the plants we bring to our home are provided with their basic needs for growth, plus allowed to be how they really are naturally, they thrive and become your happy cohabitants. You, on the other hand, become much closer to nature within your built environment. It's a super win-win. Epiphytes are plants that can survive without soil because they can source water and nutrients from the air. For support, they normally cling to tree trunks, branches, and sometimes rocks. This is a commensal relationship because when they cling for support, these trees don't get anything in return. Trees don't gain anything from this clinging epiphyte and also not negatively affected by their presence. Some common examples of epiphytes are ferns, hoyas, bromeliads, and orchids. For this project, I will be mounting Hoya pubicalyx, Hoya carnosa crimson queen, and bird's nest fern or Asplenium nidus leslie. I will be using moistened sphagnum moss to protect the root system as it adapts to its new environment. For wood boards, I have here 3 sizes of round acacia wood boards which I got cheaply from Amazon because they were used. Super happy with this purchase, but I know that if I were in the Philippines, I can just ask neighbors and get a few pieces for free. But I'm not. Anyway, you can also use other wood slabs, cork bark or driftwood. Root-resistant wood, of course, is always preferable. I will also be using fishing line to inconspicuously bind the sphagnum moss around the root ball. I would be hammering a few nails to the board to anchor the fishing line, as you will see later in the video. To display our finished project, we can attach hanging hardwares and string, but in my case, I will be using 3M command strips so I don't make holes on the wall and paint will not chip off if ever I need to remove the tape later on. mounted plant is a great artisan gift idea to friends, and of course, a great gift to yourself. Hope you liked this video and got a little something from it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next ones. Enjoy!